Hey guys, this is me again. The easiest way to fix. I have a 2005 Honda Odyssey. The the left rear door, the slide door, stuck open or closed. I have this code, which is B1140 and B2038. Says driver power window position, and the other one is left power sliding door position, switch circuit open or short. So the problem here was the door latch. It's not the motor or anything, so you're gonna keep replacing part, but the problem was only this is a door latch. You can take it off. I already took it off. There is a lot of videos that show you how to take this part off. I just want to show you the problem here was this switch. That switch is not working, not clicking. Like you can see this one here. This one is clicking. And you can test it with the avometer, like this one, with the beep noise thing. So if you want to test it, that one is all of them is 2-wire only. Doesn't matter which way you go. There is no positive or negative. Can you click this one? What? Can you click this one? Let's see. Let me try again. Okay. No. You can see this is working. The other one is died. So you're not gonna find this separate. You're not gonna find it anywhere to buy. Maybe eBay, or if you go junkyard, you can buy this switch only and replace it. You can try to clean it with a brake cleaner. Well, I don't think for this one it's gonna work. But it's easy to just replace it, or you can get the whole unit from a junkyard. If you take this part off yourself, then maybe you gotta pay like 40 bucks, 50 bucks. You can get it from eBay, maybe for around the same price, $60, $100, something like that. I did check all these switches. All of them was working, only that one is not. So the problem, not the motor, not the mechanism, only this switch. This will make you replace maybe the whole door. So the easiest way to get this one, and the cheapest way, is to go to the junkyard and just get this switch. Check all switches, see which one is bad before you buy anything. Because I check all of them, this is the only one is bad. That's why the door is stuck open or closed, or you have circuit problem. Sure, this one is here. Now it was working fine, and there was a light on the dash that says a slide door, the orange light, and it's still there. When this light showing up, the door not working anymore. This is the one I changed. There's 1, 2, 3 10mm bolt, and from outside the 3 10mm bolt, and then this 2 cable right here. You can just unattach it from there. It's very easy. Only this bolt, this 2 cable over here, and this 2 plug over there. Nothing. And you just slide it out from here, and it's very easy. And after you did that, you're gonna reset it. So you're gonna take this fuse, the driver side kick panel, the bottom left. You will take this number 7 7.5 ampere fuse, the backup one. Just take it out and turn the key to the second position, and open and close the door key, just to lose the power, the memory, to erase the memory from for the door code. And then you put this fuse back and open and close, and it should be good. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.